Welcome to our video, and we're showing you our
makeup.
Yeah, our haul from yesterday's event in SM Fashion Hall. So it's an event.
My eye gets this.
Yes. So first, this is what we got from yesterday. It's a MAC goodie bag, and then we have Makeup Forever, and then we also got here something from Benefit and a cute little bag. So I think it's a mix of different coupons and so we'll see them later. We'll open it. Of course, I got stickers for Shop It for MAC, something from Innisfree, and gift voucher from Inglot, and something from Shiseido. So first up, because Shop is really excited, we'll show you the video. We played a game and we got this one. It's a beauty blender made for MAC, especially for MAC. And included in this bag is a MAC Prep. MAC Prep plus Prime Fix spray, which Shelby really loves, and a cream color base. So now what we're gonna do is Shop's been bugging me to try this beauty blender. Yeah. So I'm just gonna let her use it with the Fix spray, Fix Plus spray. So Shopper, we're gonna do it on you. Oh, on me. Okay. And you. Okay, enough, Shopper. Not good. So what do? Use the. Okay, wait. Give the camera. So I sprayed Fix Plus spray on me, and Shop is gonna dab. She's having fun dabbing. But I said this one. So the bottom part for the whole face, dab, 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 and then what do you do with the pointy one, the cone one, on the edges, the small areas. So for the hard to reach one. Okay, we're done.
Yeah.
Okay, show the beauty blender again, Shabe. There. So this is Shabe. Okay, your turn to put. Go, Shabe. Look at that face. Okay.
Like that.
Fine. So this is Shobe saying hi again.
Hi.
She loves her MAC beauty blender. And we're opening the next box from Makeup Forever. Like this. And what's inside? So
About something inside.
So it's the bag. And it has a brush.
Yes.
So
I will try it.
And of course the foundation brush comes with us.
And nail polish.
Foundation and
Nail polish.
it's actually not a nail polish of it, it's for the lips. It's velvet liquid lips, and it opens like this, and it actually stays on very, very long. Okay, so that's Makeup Forever, and then we have Innisfree. We have this cute little psychedelic bag. Yeah, and Shobe likes it so she can use it. And what's inside?
The makeup.
Yeah, so we have mascara from Benefit. Hold it, Shobe. That's mascara for the eyelashes. And then from the Body Shop, it's a body wash, period. And then some body moisturizers and shower cream. And then we have something from toner from Fame. I don't know if it's correctly pronounced. And then lipstick from L'Oreal. Okay, please hold. Okay. And then we have, okay, so Bobbi Brown coupons, makeup, and then skin makeup service from Clinique. And okay, so this is their evening. So Happy Women's Month by Mega Mall. So this is how they celebrate, and their beauty around the world on March 21 to 28 at the Mega Fashion Hall. So there's a lot of discounts that await you there. We have face mask, nail face mask from Nature Republic. So others are cute, like samplers from Benefit. Oh, we have cash vouchers from Supra House and Strip. And yeah, that's a sample. And then this peso coupon from Roman Bath. Estee Lauder. Glass.
So let's open it.
Pretty cool, no? This is a cool set. So it's their new mascara line. Comes in Violet Vibe, Emerald Energy, Sapphire Spark, and Black Pulse.